You will spend approximately 1,000 minutes today, most of them reacting, responding, managing, adapting to whatever the day decides to bring. But there is a window right here, right now, where none of that has started yet. A window where the only thing happening is you deciding. And what you do inside that window determines the quality of every single one of the 1,000 minutes that follow. 10 minutes, that is all it takes. Not to change everything in one morning, but to change the internal operating system that runs everything else. Let's use them. This is day 2 of the free 7-day morning wealth ritual. The full playlist is in the description below. If you are not subscribed yet, do it now so you do not miss a single morning. Yesterday, you set your mind before the world could. Today, we go deeper into why that practice is more powerful than it looks. Take one slow breath in through your nose, hold it softly, and let it go completely. Feel the surface beneath you. You are here, present, ready. Let's begin. Most people think rewiring the subconscious requires hours of meditation, years of therapy, or some dramatic breakthrough moment. It does not. What it requires is repetition in a receptive state. And the morning, specifically the 10 minutes after waking, is the most receptive state your brain enters all day. The prefrontal cortex is warming up. The critical faculty that normally filters and rejects new information is not yet at full strength. Your subconscious is still close to the surface. In this window, the distance between a new belief and the place where beliefs are actually stored is shorter than at any other moment in the next 16 hours. This is why 10 consistent morning minutes outperform an hour of afternoon effort when it comes to subconscious change. It is not about duration, it is about timing. You are rewiring in the window when rewiring is most efficient. And you are doing it before the day's conditioning, the stress, the comparisons, the old patterns triggered by familiar environments, has had a chance to reinforce what you are trying to change. 10 minutes here is not a small thing. It is the highest leverage thing available to you today. Use it completely. 10 minutes in this state is worth more than anything the rest of the day can undo. I am rewiring right now, in this window, at the exact moment the subconscious is most open. Every morning I show up here, I compound what was built the morning before. My subconscious receives this practice before the day's conditioning has a chance to arrive. I do not need hours, I need consistency, and I am consistent. This 10 minutes is the most important investment I make today. I protect it. My wealth identity is being reinforced right now, before a single external trigger has fired. The person who shows up to this practice every morning becomes someone the day cannot easily derail. I am building a morning practice that compounds, each session stronger than the last. What I feed my subconscious in this window shapes what I see, what I notice, and what I attract day. 10 minutes of choosing differently every morning becomes a different life. I am choosing now. My brain is most plastic in this window. I use that plasticity deliberately and without hesitation. I show up for this practice because I understand what it builds. And what it builds is everything. The most successful version of me began in the morning. This morning. This practice. This choice. I own this 10 minutes completely. Nothing is more important right now. Nothing competes with this. Carry this into your day. I already did the most important thing today, and the day has barely begun. Drop morning day 2, complete in the comments. I am waiting for it. And tell me, what does it feel like knowing you have already done the most important thing before the day has properly started? See you tomorrow morning. Let's rise.